The following question reads, exactly 6 actors, G, H, J, L, M, and P, will appear one after another in the opening credits of a television program. Their contracts contain certain restrictions that affect the order in which they can appear. Given these restrictions, the order in which the actors appear, from first to sixth, must conform to the following. Alright, so we have the following actors, G, H, J, L, M, and P. And we're placing them in order first through sixth. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let's go to the rules. Rule number 1 says both L and M appear earlier than H. So we have L, M before H. That means H can't be first and H can't be second, and neither L nor M can be last. Rule number 2, both L and P appear earlier than J. So we know L and P earlier than J. So J can't be first and J can't be second, and P can't be sixth. So we know L can't be sixth from rule number 1. We also know, since rule number 1 tells us that L has H after it, and now rule number 2 says L has J after it, L can't be fifth either because it has to have H and J after it. Rule number 3, if M appears earlier than P, then H appears earlier than G. So if M before P, then H before G. Contrapositive, if H is not before G, so remember, since none of the names are appearing at the same time, H not being before G means G before H, then M is not before P, so P is before M. And rule number 4, G does not appear last. So G, not last. So that means last is going to be either H or J. All right, so as our setup, our rules, and our deductions, let's go ahead and hit the questions.